Jake Lasseter ran a family toy factory where every plastic toy depended on many partners working in sequence. Polyplast supplied plastic pellets, PacObox provided boxes and packaging, Big Truck handled deliveries, IPM supplied the machines, and Small Truck moved finished toys to the shops. At first, the system looked efficient. When the factory needed more plastic, Jake placed an order with Polyplast, Big Truck delivered the pellets, Brendan the production manager turned them into toy parts, Luke in packaging boxed the products, and Small Truck shipped the toys every Friday. Customers bought them, children enjoyed them, and Jake believed the business was under control. Then the hidden weakness of the supply chain appeared. On Friday, the toy shops were out of stock, but Luke was furious because 400,000 boxes had just arrived and there was nowhere to store them. Brendan could not produce more toys because the factory had no plastic. Polyplast had pellets ready, but Big Truck had no available trucks. A small truck driver waited outside with nothing to collect. At the same time, the bank manager called for payment, while the company had no cash because suppliers were paid immediately and customers paid much later. Jake realized that every department was reacting separately, with no shared information and no coordinated plan. The factory was not suffering from a lack of effort, but from a lack of connection. He installed supply chain management software and linked the main business processes into one system. Orders, stock levels, production, storage, transport, credit, and cash could now be planned together. Jake could see what was needed before shortages or surpluses appeared. Polyplast, Big Truck, PacObox, the factory team, the toy shops, and the bank all had clearer information. Soon the boxes matched the toys, the trucks carried the right loads, the workers had materials to use, and the accounts moved at a manageable pace. The factory stopped stumbling from crisis to crisis. In the end, the software did not merely organize the business. It rescued it.